Welcome back to the channel, everyone. This is my first scratch-built drone. I built this as a 2S setup because I wanted more power than my 1S tiny whips that I've been flying, and I wanted to try something like a Cinewhoop style build. The build is a mix of parts. For the flight controller, I'm using the Flywoo GOKU F405. That's 1 to 2S. For the motors, I'm using BetaFPV 1102 14,000 kV. The props that I'm using on them are GemFan 2023. For the frame, I'm using the Happymodel Mobula 8 with the DJI O3 camera mount, and inside that is the DJI O4 Lite with the Flywoo O3 lens. This combination might not be the perfect setup for what I was aiming for, but that's okay. These parts will probably be used in a different build later on down the track. I'm not the best at soldering, but I'm actually pretty happy with the way all these solder joints worked out. So in the end, this build was mainly about learning and getting my hands on every part in the process.
Okay, so here we are. Finally, I've been able to get out and test my build that I built probably about 2 weeks ago. I finished it and haven't been able to fly. I've been waiting for batteries. Finally got the batteries, and now I'm ready to fly. So I'm going to give it a test run. There was some issues when I was setting it up. This is like the first out-of-the-box flight controller that I've used. So there was a number of things that I've never had to do before when I had a bind and fly it was all set up for me. So actually, when I first connected the battery, the motors, I tested the motor direction, and they were all going anti-clockwise. I tried to adjust it in Betaflight, but the wizard where you click 1, 2, 3, 4 and reverse them if you need to wasn't working for me. So I had to go into escconfigurator.com, and I just adjusted the 2 motors to reverse, and it was working, but it took me quite a bit of research to actually figure that out. And the second thing, I didn't have any OSD in my goggles, and I realized that you have to go into the ports and then assign the VTX to one of the ports. So finally got all that sorted out, and it's ready to fly. I did look through the video once, but I haven't flown it at all yet, so this will be the first flight. One other thing that I did get, because I'm going traveling to Australia next year, I wanted a smaller controller, so I ended up getting the Pocket, Radio Master Pocket, and that's what I have it connected to at the moment. So I've flown the Pocket with my other Media 75, and it works really well, so I'm pretty happy. It's nice and compact, really good. One of the other things that I did when setting up this drone is basically did all the same PIDs and expo rates as my Media 75. So it's exactly the same. Hopefully that works.
Welcome to HTX.
I'm going to put the goggles defog on because it's actually quite a warm day that we're having here today. It's about +2 degrees, so pretty decent. So this is the first flight that I'm going to do with this thing. I have the Flywoo 155 lens on it and the ND filter, ND8 I believe. It's quite a heavy drone. I'm not sure what to expect with flight times. My 75 Pro gets about 2 minutes and 20 seconds, around about 2 minutes 30 on a 1S 550, and this is a 2S 550. So it'll be interesting to see what sort of flight times I'm getting with this, and then also how it feels. Just in general, I'm sure it's going to be a lot heavier feeling, but it should have more power as well. So I'm going to give it a go for the first time. So let's fire it up. And I'm recording. Okay, let's take it for a spin. Yeah, it definitely feels like it has more power. Whoa. It's also interesting to get used to the controller. Okay, so I probably should just fly kind of the way I intended this build to be, which is a cinematic type drone, which would be nice and calm, so no flips. Unfortunately, I've already done a couple. So, but I'm sitting at 3.75 volts. I'm just hit a minute. I can just make out the duct in the view, so I was hoping I wouldn't see the duct at all. But maybe I can adjust the camera angle a little bit. So just cruising nicely, nice and slow, sitting at 3.63 volts, 1.5 minutes. I'm really not going very fast at all. Okay, I just got my first low battery warning at 2 minutes. I've still got 3.54 volts, but yeah, it's probably 2 minutes 20 seconds. Again, it's cold here as well, so that will probably suck the battery as well. It's plus 3 degrees. Okay, well there you go. I think that was a pretty good, successful flight. It works. So basically building from scratch. I ordered all the parts, did it all from scratch, so I'm pretty happy with the result. It flies. It was a good learning experience, and yeah, success. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you want to subscribe, I should have some more videos like this. I really want to build another drone. It's super fun. Actually, I kind of enjoy building this thing more than flying it right now, actually, to be honest. But really enjoyable to build. And so if you want to subscribe, hit the like button, follow along, and I'm sure I'll have a few more videos like this coming out. Catch you later.